Cornish and Breton both use the word bras for big. So in Cornish, den bras, a big man. In Breton, den bras, a big man. Welsh has the same word, bras, but something a bit strange happened to it. Over time, mawr became the everyday word for big, and bras narrowed into different meanings. Instead of big, in Welsh, bras means things like coarse or fat or rough, or even approximate. That's why we say braslin is a rough sketch. Braster is fat or fatness. Bras amcan is like a rough guess. So where Cornish and Breton kept it simple, Welsh took bras into a whole new direction. It means that if a Cornish speaker says den bras, a Welsh speaker might hear dyn bras and picture, well, let's just say a bloke who's a little more on the chunky side, like myself. So next time you scribble a braslin, remember in Cornwall or Brittany, it could have been a masterpiece. In Wales, it's just a doodle.